वेलकम बॅक. आत्ता आम्ही बोटीमधून स्टॅच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी बघायला जाणार आहोत. तुम्ही पाहू शकता आता आम्ही बोटीमध्ये आहोत. समोर न्यूयॉर्कची सिटी दिसते. तुम्ही पाहू शकता मोठमोठ्या बिल्डिंग आहेत त्या. स्टॅच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टीला जाण्यासाठी 15 ते 20 मिनिट लागतात बोटीने.
Life jackets are stored in overhead racks on the first and second decks, and in storage boxes on the top deck. Instructions for donning life jackets are posted around the vessel. Life rings are positioned on the top deck forward, and both forward and aft on the first and second decks. Also, several life floats are stored on the top deck. We do not anticipate using any of this equipment. Feel free to contact a crew member if you have any questions.
समोर ती सगळ्यात उंच बिल्डिंग दिसते. ती 9/11च्या नंतर बनवलेली आहे.
Please do not leave any bags or packages unattended, and be sure to take all of your belongings with you when you disembark. If you observe anything that seems out of the ordinary, please bring it to the attention of the captain or a crew member. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy your trip. Overhead racks on the first and second decks, and in storage boxes on the top deck. Instructions for donning life jackets are posted around the vessel. Life rings are positioned on the top deck forward, and both forward and aft on the first and second decks. Also, several life floats are stored on the top deck. We do not anticipate using any of this equipment. Feel free to contact a crew member if you have any questions. Security is also a concern for all. Please do not leave any bags or packages unattended, and be sure to take all of your belongings with you when you disembark. If you observe anything that seems out of the ordinary, please bring it to the attention of the captain or a crew member. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy your trip.
On behalf of the National Park Service, once again, historical significance. Ellis Island was the principal gateway for immigrants arriving into the U.S. between 1892 and 1924. Our current course recalls the voyages of approximately 12 million American immigrants. They passed through these waters on their way to Ellis Island and a new life sea, usually on the small, overcrowded steerage decks of massive steamships. They were often excited, exhausted, and anxious about what lay ahead. As they neared the end of their journey, these immigrants were greeted by a number of overwhelming
स्टॅच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टीमध्ये आत्ता आम्ही पोचणार आहोत. त्यानंतर मी तुम्हाला तिथला परिसर दाखवणार आहे. तुम्ही तो पाहू शकता.
These new arrivals must have felt as the city's grand vista emerged above the waves. For many, New York's landscape was like nothing they had ever seen before.
आत्ता आम्ही स्टॅच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टीमध्ये पोचलेलो आहोत. तुम्ही पाहू शकता समोर स्टॅच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी दिसत आहे. त्यानंतर लोक बोटीने येतात. ती बोटही समोर दिसते. मी तुम्हाला इकडचा सर्व परिसर दाखवत आहे. तो तुम्ही पाहू शकता किती सुंदर आहे तो. तुम्हाला जर हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. आपण भेटूया नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये.